You know, what's really unique about ProTech manufacturing technology is we've gone out in the industry and we've talked to industry and we've said, what do you need? What are the skills that these students need to be able to come in here and to be able to serve well, to do a good job? You're going to continue to teach yourself when you walk out of here. Okay, you're not going to know everything. However, we're going to give you a foundation where you have the entry-level skills that manufacturers want you to have to be able to pick you up where we leave off and continue your training to build you up into the person they want.
I feel like we're going to have a much more dependable, well-rounded employee that has the soft skills necessary to work well with the team, but also has those basic background technical skills that we're after as well. I know they're going to have deeper level of problem-solving skills. They're going to be, engaged employees in wanting to continuously improve.
8 weeks into your freshman fall semester, that's when you start your internship. So every Tuesday and Thursday for the remainder of your 2 years, you are in your internship. Plus the whole summer between your first and second year, you're doing an internship. You're able to take that education, bring it back in the classroom, and I can use that and help you understand really what's going on in your different internships and different manufacturing processes. These are paid internships also.
It's right out of the gate, freshman. You have an internship while you're going to school. It starts up, I think in the first semester it starts up in mid-October, so you have a little bit of time before you transition to like, okay, I'm also doing work and school. You're in the classroom 3 days a week and then at an internship at least 8 hours on Tuesday and Thursdays during the school year, and then we've also got a summer semester in between the first and second year, and that can be a full-time job or internship.
To me, it's a win-win situation where we get an individual in here that gets exposure to a lot of different manufacturing types, and then we get to work with them and make them a potential long-term future employee.
Yeah, I mean, when I first got to Link, the orientation, they were very invested in the community or the culture. Yeah, within the first week, we actually celebrated 2 million units of a product line, and they were kind of sharing their own experiences, employees or people that had been there 20 plus years, and there was a lot of emotion there.
The faith-based education that we get here at Dordt University that we instill into these students is a key component to being a good servant leader. And so those are a couple things that I really focus on in all different areas when I'm teaching, is being a good servant leader and being a good steward of materials. So as you learn all these technical skills, you become enabled to serve in a higher capacity. And so when we go out there, I really look at us as being able to go out there and serve others. I hope that these students will take that faith-based education and go out and become good servants. The other thing is the stewardship side of it. When you learn controls and automation and you learn lean manufacturing and lean processes, you're always looking for ways to get more out of less input. That's really what lean's about. How can we improve this process? How can we use less materials? How can we become more efficient? And those processes help us become better stewards of resources.
The teachers care a lot, our professors care a lot about you and the equipment, the resources that are here are just incredible.
Machining and metalworking, we have CNC mills, we have CNC lathes, we have CNC plasma, and we also have some supporting equipment, welding equipment that we can utilize in our process of manufacturing components over on the machining and metalworking. So we want you to come through here and we want you to get a great foundation in CNC programming. On the other side, the controls and automation side, it really fits into every industry out there. Whether you've got a processing industry, biodiesel, ethanol, renewable fuels, food processing, a lot of different automation in food processing, or whether you're back in the machining and metalworking area with robotics and stuff like that. We are going to develop entry-level skills in both those areas, the machining and metalworking, controls and automation. We have electrical controls, we have programmable controllers, PLCs, we have touchscreen panel views. You're going to learn how to program all those. You're going to learn how to wire devices into these and write programs to automate processes. And you're going to learn how to troubleshoot and diagnose with an electrical meter, whether that be an input device to a PLC or an output device that you're trying to control. You're going to learn to diagnose and troubleshoot automated systems in manufacturing. You're going to come into the classroom and we're going to talk about what type of automation you have, what type of lean process it is, and how everybody else can learn from your internship experience, not just you. So I think that's really unique with Dordt University and ProTech Manufacturing, is the fact that we can feed off of everybody's internship all the way through the educational process.
ProTech gives the team members a great exposure to what real life business is about, really applying the knowledge they're learning in the classroom and understanding how that all fits together in the real world. You know, gives them a leg up on hitting the ground running when they graduate, and those are the types of employees that we're looking for.